Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold of Path Trading Partners. It is July 5th and we are adding another volume to our educational series for charting of cryptocurrencies. Now again, we do high probability patterns in traditional markets that are also pretty darn effective in cryptocurrencies if you've followed what we've been doing. If you haven't, go back and check out some of our old cryptocurrency videos. Some are trade recommendations and things that we were looking at. Others are parts of this educational series where we talk about how we would trade certain situations that have happened, and you can see some of them evolve live as well. This is one of those. This is a Litecoin educational / trading signal that Mike pointed out a couple of days ago. There's 2 or 3 videos in this mini series within our educational series. So check it out, Mike. It is all yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Litecoin update in our educational series. So we're watching for a close. We're talking about a pullback and a close below, or a move intraday. You could go with an extended move intraday below this 48.71 point. For our potential double top, that did not happen. It made another push higher. Were we able to capture that push? No, it was a lower probability push. We weren't able to capture it. We don't need to capture every move and every swing in the market. We go for the highest probability ones. So for an extended outlook now, people are also wondering, we got some questions in, what was, if on the next push higher, what was the target level? From GAN, 56.84 was the target level. And we're not trying to pick off the very tops or very bottoms, but that was the target area. What are we watching for now? Still watching for either consolidation or a pullback. We now have a head and shoulders pattern that we have a path trading method to trade. And the projected targets are 46.90, which is really still this breakout zone, and 45.99, what pretty much just above what started this move. Let's take a look at how that looks in context of the bigger picture, going to the daily. So in our multi-timeframe analysis, which is what we do at Path Trading Partners, you can see we have our rotation zone on the daily. The upper end of that is right around the 46 level and still rising. So that is going to be a very key area. We'll also be seeing if this just catches up with Litecoin moving sideways, because that could mean the correction's over. Again, it could easily still pull back this 47.59 area, which is a prior breakout zone. Our moving averages are moving with every bar, so we can keep that in mind. But if the head and shoulders does trigger, one of our targets is that $46 area, which is the top of our rotation zone, so we should not be surprised to see it pull back there. That's again how we're using multi-timeframe analysis in conjunction with patterns we look at and trade, which are high probability, to help us identify key areas on pullbacks to enter these trades. Or if you are able to short and are willing to short some of these altcoins or Bitcoins, possible trades to the short side. That's all we have for you. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike, and thanks to you guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you like what we are doing, and check out the Money Path podcast at pathtradingpartners.com. Cheers, everyone.